Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And we're both here with Beauty Fix. I'm gonna cut mine open there.
I just cut mine already off camera.
So it looked like that.
Mine's not being good.
I didn't even look at mine.
Mine's not being good.
I didn't even look at mine to see if it was being
mine
good
was
or not.
Mine's like, look, do you see? It's like all bent.
And as you mentioned in like some of our other videos, probably that we filmed yesterday, I do have a cold, so I'm like trying to stay super bundled. I'm actually taking tomorrow off work because I don't want to get sicker. That's what's on the inside.
It says it's the most glamorous time of the year. That's what it says.
And that too.
I'm not making that
we
up.
have no rights to. Okay, first thing I'm pulling out is Erno Laszlo, if I'm saying that right. Hydrate and Nourish Hydrophil Skin Supplement Lotion.
We're going to take turns like usual.
I don't know if this is...
and we're scooching forward.
It says it's a toner. I was thinking it was a moisturizer, but it says this hydrating toner gently calms, hydrates, and refreshes as it eliminates dullness and balance moisture.
I don't know if I'm going to be excited about any of these things. But anyhow, this is Nia's 24 Niacin Powered Skin Therapy Gentle Cleansing Cream. Micronutrient Delivery Niacin Non-Foaming Cleanser. I do need a cleanser, but I like kind of like foaming ones, even though I know they're not good for you. But
and then Derm Store Lip Quench Sheer Tints. I'm not sure what color. Oh, Red Delicious. That should have been probably obvious. I don't know.
You got red. I got Orchid Berry.
Two different colors.
Interesting. But I like this color better. So shockingly, we got Super Smile Professional Whitening System. See, I love whitening things. It's just mine and her teeth are kind of on the thinner side, so I don't usually use too much whitening stuff. I've been using a lot of whitening toothpaste, but even that I don't like to do. So
and I'm pulling out Youngblood Eye Illuminating Duo Shimmer and Matte. So maybe that's like a
just a matte and a shimmer.
Yeah, like an eyeshadow.
So that's cool.
Use both ends. I don't know.
Ooh. This I'm excited about, but oh no, I'm not. Never mind. I lied. It's Waterfall Moisture Shine Lotion. I thought maybe somehow it was like a primer with like moisturizer, but it's for hair. So I don't know if I'll use that or not. Giveaway if not. So.
Okay, and then
there's a lot of this on top. Like
I know, I'm making a mess. Then Murads Resurgence Renewing Eye Cream. I like one of Murads cleansing products. I don't know what to call it. I think it's like Age Reform, something like that.
Looky here.
Dum dum dum.
I already had one of these. I don't know if I use it once. So maybe give away too. It's a beauty blender and it's small, but I think you add water and then it grows bigger.
To twice its size.
So yeah, yeah.
Cause yeah, we don't use the. I use a full. I use like the full size one, but I don't use the little ones. Okay, my turn, right? I guess I'll just go for the big thing. Harry Josh Pro Tools Pro Makeup and Wave Setting Clips. 6 lightweight for all hair types. That's interesting.
I know. I don't know if I'll...
Do you like just put your hair in it and like...
I'm assuming you use a bloater, I'm assuming, with it, but... While she's looking to see how you use it, we also got Bioderma Hydro Bio Serum. Moisturizing concentrate for dehydrated sensitive skin. So we have very dry skin. Hopefully you can see that. But yeah.
This one, right? Moisturizing. Okay. And then the next one I'm putting out is Neostrata Skin Active Cellular Restoration. It says helps restore essential cells, lifts and firms, reduces oxidative damage. I don't know if I'm pronouncing things right. Do I ever pronounce them right? I don't know. There's that.
And then the last one I think is Rin's Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. At night melt balm with fingertips and gently massage on a clean dry skin until absorbed. So I could probably use that. But there's quite a few things I got personally that I don't want, or at least I think I don't want. So so more for our next giveaway. Like that's exciting because I just don't need all this stuff. So yay. And this box I think Beauty Fix is around like $26, $27 a month, just so you guys know. But we did get, I don't know how many that was. Was that like 9 or 3, 6, 9, 12 things. So oh, and I didn't notice that the whitening system, it comes with 2 different things, it looks like. So that's interesting. But yeah, the eye illuminating pencil, I'm pretty sure I don't want that. I mean, and then yeah, definitely not the beauty blender thing, and then the hair thing, probably, you know, some more stuff to give away. And then we did do some back-to-back videos before where we were like in blue. So those might be broken up by us wearing what we're wearing today, just so you guys know. So if you see them like, oh, they just wore those clothes yesterday, those were all the same videos in a row if you didn't see that video. But don't forget to give us a thumbs up for getting through this pretty quickly. And give us a thumbs up just because Kim's not feeling good and she's still doing it anyways. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing our next one at 200 subscribers. And we'll see you in our next video. Take care. Bye.